morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
I would like to thank to my respected
Let's
teacher Ms. Sangeeta
simple
ma'am
policy.
and director Mr. Ghulam Nabi sir for giving me this opportunity. Beautiful to speak in front of you. I am Sandhya Kumari. I belong to Jairamgara. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am here to share to my view about importance of time. I would like to speak online in Hindi. दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा तोहफा वक्त है क्यों Time has great importance in our life. Once time passes, it never comes back. We should always make good use of our time. In student life, we should always make good use of our time. With the right use of time, we can create a great future. On the other hand, if we waste time, then time gives us the worst result. People who are successful in life understand the value of time very well. Time is the key to unlock the door and understand the value of dignity. All of us students must understand the importance of time, make proper use of every moment. I would like to end the speech with beautiful lines. Time is short when you wait. Time is fast when you late. Time is short when you happy. Time is currency. Be careful how you spend it. Now I would like to thank all of you for listening my speech. Have a good day.